pulled off here at a rest area. No toilet though. And if it was bigger, we would stay here tonight. And you don't want to stay in the ones that have the toilets because people are in and out all night long. So we're just stopping here to get a bite to eat. It's a bit windy today. This was our stop after all the exploring yesterday. We are in Crow's Nest Pass. This is just a gravel spot. And it rained here before we got here. It rained on us almost all day yesterday. It's not a bad area. Not bad. It was quiet here last night. After about 10:30, the traffic stopped and it was awesome. We turned on our white noise, of course, but hey, it was pretty sweet. Okay, here we go again. Bobby is going to check out the Bellevue Campground because we wanted to camp in the area for the weekend, Labor Day weekend. Oh yeah, today is August 31st. And this does not look at all like it did on the map. So he's going to check it out. So the wrong directions?
That's all wrong. There's a little park right there, but I don't think, there's no sign that says you can't camp, but it ain't for maybe somebody in the van or something.
Not for us.
Did you find anything on your phone?
No. This is actually the Bellevue Campground. Some people don't know how to use GPS so they can tell somebody else where it is. So the place we were at before was across the highway there. This is the campground, and we shall see how long we stay here. Please take a moment to read about the Frank slide. This was devastating to this area and this town. If you are stopping in Bellevue, you can get fuel here at Fast Gas. The regular is $1.49 and the diesel is $1.59. And they also have an A&W. I love A&W. But today we're eating Chinese. Okay, y'all. What's the name of this restaurant?
Oh, shit, you had to ask me that.
Being something. No, that was the chicken place. This is called, Ben Wong.
Ben Wong.
Okay, now y'all look. Bobby ordered a large.
I just ordered what they had.
A large soup. And it comes in that big giant bowl. Egg drop.
Egg drop soup. This is the way it comes. And she ordered, she thought it was a bowl of wonton.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a small thing of wontons. But this is fantastic. Look at those. Oh, yummy. So, We have plenty of food.
We think we're going to have to get our food to go because they're going to...
Yeah, because we're going to be full once we eat all this. See?
Mm-hmm.
There was even enough soup for me.
There's more over here.
I can't eat anymore, honey. The sun is right behind Bobby's head, so he's going to be kind of washed out. But, wow. This is going to be... the soup is already delicious. So we'll see what the wontons taste like.
Water.
Oh,
Wonton.
these are delicious. Delicious, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. Nice and hot. Oh, yummy.
Anyone can see the road that they walk on is paved with gold. It's always summer, they'll never get cold. Tell her to make me a candle, then she'll be a true love of mine.
All right, so Mr. Childers,
Yes.
we went to the festival. They're celebrating their Labor Day here.
Mm-hmm. Goes to the weekend. Starts today.
Yep. And y'all, guess what? Mr. Childers bought. You knew it. Food.
Strawberry. Scatoon jam.
Let me see it. Yep.
Right there.
All right.
Her family makes them at home.
Uh-huh.
And we got some homemade fudge.
From the cowgirl.
From the rancher.
Yep.
And
Awesome.
this is from the lady who got the jelly from, her and her family.
Uh-huh.
Sons and daughters make it.
Yep.
Good looking.
Awesome.
Well, let y'all know how it goes. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. She saying that this place for us to help
This is, there's 3 little towns that run right together here.
Braymore?
Yeah, this is Briarmore. Briarmore, Crow's Nest, and
Where we camped.
Bellevue.
Yeah. 3 little towns around the county.
Pretty nice. We're leaving here this morning. We were gonna stay another night, but since it's $20 to hear the traffic stop about 11 o'clock and start back again at 5, it's time to go to another place. And we're just trying to find a place to be for the holiday, Labor Day weekend. They also have Labor Day here. That's what they're celebrating. And they start on Thursday and go all the way to Monday. So, yep, it's time to go. We'll see y'all at the next stop. This was a beautiful little campground. Waterton Reservoir is a provincial park. It's like $14 a night, I do believe. I'll put the coordinates in the description below. Close enough to town that we could go, but far enough away that we didn't hear all the traffic.